How to remove pin from Messenger on iPhone. So if you're using Messenger on your iPhone and you set up a pin to access the Messenger application so that each time you open the Messenger app, it requires for your pin. And now you want to remove the pin or disable the pin, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone, basically on iPhone. Click on the menu icon at top left. Then go ahead and click on settings gear icon. Once you selected that, scroll down, locate privacy and safety and click on that. Now once you click on privacy and safety, go ahead and click on app lock. Then you should say require Face ID. If this is turned on in your own case, this requires passcode each time you open the Messenger app. Now to remove it, all you just need to do is go to the settings page, click on privacy and safety, click on app lock, and then disable require Face ID or require PIN. Once that is disabled, then you're good to go. Now, when next you want to use the Facebook Messenger on your phone, you open it, you'll no longer be prompted to type in your Facebook Messenger PIN. So that is basically how to remove PIN from Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.